today has already started off not on a good note. I already had a premonition this morning that something bad was gonna happen, and then I realized when I was getting dressed, I was like, oh, it's really cold. Let me dress for the cold. So I went to get my favorite sweatshirt that I realized I hadn't worn in a while, and I could not find it anywhere. It is like a very nice sweatshirt. It's a Comfort brand sweatshirt, and they're like really heavy and really baggy and like feel like a warm hug. And so I am just very frustrated right now that I don't know when the last time I had it was, which is very strange to me because it's my favorite sweatshirt, so why wouldn't I know where it was, or why wouldn't I have realized sooner that I lost it? Because the last time I remember wearing it was probably around the 4th of July, and that was a long ways away. So it's very strange to me that it's just gone. But I'm hoping it will turn up soon and that we will find it somewhere. I'm sure it's around the house somewhere, but it's just not a very good start to your day when you realize you lost something. So I hope we find it, and I hope that we find it soon. Band. Nero. I'm picking you up. That's right. I have dominance over you.
Stop it. Hot dang if that doesn't sound like a flute section.
Okay, I literally did not vlog at all today. I'm so sorry, but band practice went good. I am currently now at my work. I just pulled in. Don't really want to go in, but I guess I will. And I have no clue who I'm working with tonight, so it's gonna be a surprise. Yeah! I can't tell if you can see this, but I'm standing in a puddle right now because I flooded the back by accident. Like the floor is wet because I thought they freaking fixed it, but you can't pull both drains at once, and I was like, I'm in a hurry, so I'm gonna do that, and water started spraying everywhere, and I was like, great, yay, fun. Whoa, wee. Okay, it's as clean as I'm gonna get it, so I gave up. No, I did a great job. I actually cleaned it up. If someone else did it, they'd probably leave it, but I cleaned it up. Actually, no, probably everyone would clean it up, but I'm proud that I did that. I just wish I could have a peaceful shift here, but there's always something happening. And, you know, maybe that's why they don't schedule me as much. But I bring the fun here. I bring the fun in Subway, and they bring the L in Lazy Town. And I don't mean that literally. Everyone who works here is so much fun. Don't come for me. So that's literally all I have for today. Addison, who was in one of my vlogs a couple days ago with the cats, just sent me footage from exactly a year ago of us at work, so I'm going to show that to you now. But I just want to say while I'm here, thank you to Avery again for commenting on my last video. I love you. Hi guys, welcome to Subway Kitchen. We're going to make herbs and cheese bread. You put on the cheese, okay? So you just rub it on there like that. You get a nice little sprinkle, and you rub it in. I think I popped it, but that's okay.
Oh my gosh.
It's slowly deflating. That's okay, because sometimes the highs and lows, they really get you down.
Pop another one.
That's right. Take the cheese. Into the oven it goes. That is really topped. Follow me to the back. Come on, bitch. You're stuffing it in. Really deep in. We're gonna do jalapenos next. These are a little spicy. Don't get too close. You might get burned. You pick them up. You shove them inside. Ooh, a little hot. Jam them in. You want to get the most filling you can. The customers can't be left behind. Look here. Bugs here.